A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development from the Trump administration's legal landscape, Alina Habba, the former personal attorney to Donald Trump, has announced her resignation as U.S. Attorney for New Jersey. This decision follows a federal appeals court ruling that disqualified her from the position, citing that she had been unlawfully appointed. The ruling from the Third Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals reaffirmed a lower court's decision that deemed her ineligible for the role due to the circumstances surrounding her interim appointment. Habba, who has been at the forefront of several high-profile cases involving Trump, including fraud allegations and defamation claims, stated in a social media post that her resignation is intended to protect the stability and integrity of the office she holds dear. As a result of the Third Circuit's ruling, and to protect the stability and integrity of the office which I love, I have decided to step down in my role as the U.S. Attorney for the District of New Jersey, she wrote. But do not mistake compliance for surrender. This decision will not weaken the Justice Department, and it will not weaken me. Make no mistake, you can take the girl out of New Jersey, but you cannot take New Jersey out of the girl. Her resignation marks yet another setback for the Trump administration, which has faced mounting challenges in its efforts to maintain a loyal cadre of appointees in key prosecutorial positions across the country. Attorney General Pam Bondi expressed her disappointment over Habba's departure, emphasizing that the court's ruling has made it untenable for her to effectively run her office. Bondi criticized the politicization of the judiciary, stating that judges should not have the power to countermand the president's choices for attorneys responsible for prosecuting crime. In light of Habba's exit, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche has appointed 3 individuals to oversee the various functions of the New Jersey U.S. Attorney's Office. Meanwhile, Bondi has indicated that the Department of Justice will seek further review of the appellate court's ruling, expressing confidence that it will be overturned. Alina intends to return to the office, Bondi stated, hinting at a potential comeback for Habba should the appeal succeed. Habba's appointment as interim U.S. Attorney came in March, following the resignation of her predecessor. However, her nomination for the permanent position was never formally considered by the Senate, which is a requirement for such appointments. The Trump administration attempted to navigate the complexities of the Federal Vacancies Reform Act to keep Habba in her role, but this maneuver was ultimately rejected by the courts. The legal challenges surrounding Habba's appointment are part of a broader trend affecting the Trump administration's judicial appointments, with other U.S. attorneys facing similar scrutiny. Lindsay Halligan, another former Trump lawyer, was recently disqualified from her role as the top federal prosecutor for the Eastern District of Virginia under similar circumstances, leading to the dismissal of indictments she had secured. Trump himself weighed in on Habba's resignation, calling the circumstances surrounding her departure a shame and criticizing the blue slip process that allows senators to veto nominations. He urged Republicans to take a stand against this practice, which he believes undermines the president's authority to appoint attorneys. As the political and legal ramifications of Habba's resignation unfold, the Justice Department continues to navigate a tumultuous landscape marked by challenges to its appointments and the ongoing scrutiny of its actions. The outcome of the appeal regarding Habba's disqualification could set a precedent for future appointments and the administration's ability to maintain its influence within the judiciary. The situation remains fluid, and all eyes will be on the Department of Justice as they pursue their next steps in this contentious legal battle. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.